Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In this lecture we will cover graphics in Python. So graphics in Python is achieved with the help of Turtle. So let's begin. Let's make use of file this time. So let's write import and we'll import Turtle as Turtle covers graphic part of the Python. So just imagine your screen as a coordinate axis, and if you guys focus where my cursor is, right on your center of the screen, imagine that as your coordinate axis with 0 comma 0 on the center in the center of your screen. So what will happen if you want to move to you can say positive x-axis. So this side will be your positive x-axis, uh, and if you want to move in negative side, so of x-axis this will be your negative side. Similarly, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So if I write something what turtle does, so basically now think of turtle as a not turtle as an animal, just think of it as an arrow. I'll show you guys how to get turtle into the turtle shaped animal, but let's just think turtle of an arrow. So what can arrow do? Arrow can move left, right, forward, backward. So let's move our arrow forward. So let's write turtle and then write forward in our file, and how much forward we want to move our turtle, or you can say our arrow. So let's just write we want to move it 100 pixels. So your screen consists of pixels basically. So this forward method or function takes distance as an argument. So now let's just run it, our module, and check it. So as you guys can see, this is the Python turtle graphics window. So this right here is your center part. So you can see a turtle moved 100 centimeters. I'm saying it's 100 pixels to the right. So which is forward. So this so now what else can we do? So as I told you, we can move a turtle left, right. So let's just move it a little bit. You can say forward only. Let's just move it 50 forward more, and let's just run again. So as you guys see, it ran 100 and then ran 50 more. Since I am using file, so this won't get saved anywhere. So if I have been using the shell, so if I moved 100 pixels first, then my turtle would have moved 50 pixels more only just from this point. But since I am using a file, so my turtle moved 150 centimeters. I'm saying 150 pixels in all. So now let me show you what else you can do. So I can write turtle dot left. uh, as you can see, what left gives us, it basically gives us angle. Turn turtle left by angle units. So you can see how much I want my turtle to shift to left side. So I can write 30 degree, 50 degree, it's basically in degrees. So let's write 60 degrees. But this will shift our turtle to the left side, but it won't move the turtle. Okay, so for moving the turtle, I again need to write how much I want to move my turtle forward. uh, uh, so let's write, I just copied it and pasted it. So let me just run it and show you guys what happens. So you can see my turtle first basically ran 150, then turned to the 60. Let me just now you can say comment this for a while and show you what is happening, and I can also delete this. So let's just run it. So as you guys can see, turtle ran forward pixels forward and then turned to the left in on 60 degrees. Now it will move like this on the left side. So let's just uncomment this and check it out. So you can see our turtle moved 100, turned left, and then moved forward 50. So similarly, I can move my turtle backward or on right side. So let's say I move my turtle right now. I'll write turtle dot left again, so moving my turtle to left side more. And now I write again 60 degree. Let's just make 30 degree this time. So now what I want is, now I want you guys to show how to move turtle to backward. So what can I write? I can write turtle dot backward. As you guys can see, now let's write 50 only. I want my turtle to move 50 pixels back. So let's run it. As you can see, turtle moved 100, then turned to 60, moved 50 pixels more, turned left to 30 degrees more, and then moved backwards 50 degree. So in this way, you can access turtle, and you can perform various things. But before going, I want to show you guys one more thing, that is how to create object of this turtle. As you can see, writing every time turtle is very time consuming and not much of liking. So what I can do is, I can declare a variable as an object. So let's write x, and then I can write turtle, basically this turtle. Okay, and now I can write this method to import. So I can write turtle method with capital T. You have to make sure you write capital T here, and I can import this method. So let's just make some changes over here. Let's write x, 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 and x over here. Now let's run it and check it out. So you guys can see our code works fine. So that's all for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will see various other methods of turtle. So if you guys like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.